So let's go to our code and go to our index.html file, and I'll do a quick search here for snippet. Okay, so we're down here. And so now our structure is going to be the thumbnail on the top, which will allow us to float it to the left of the content below it, and then a wrapper element around all of the content. So let's add a div, and let's give it a class, and we'll call it snippet content. Then we'll indent everything in order to visually see the separation here, and then we'll add a closing div at the bottom. And we'll need to do this for our other snippet as well. I'll just copy this div from up here, and again, we're wrapping around everything that's not the thumbnail. And then we'll indent everything and add our closing div. All right, I'm gonna save this and go back to our browser and refresh. And this won't change anything about the layout on its own, but now we can deal with the content as a unit and the thumbnail as a unit as well. So let's again add a float to this thumbnail. So we'll do float left. And now for our content div, let's play with the styles here and let's start setting the margin. So we'll set the margin left and let's set it to 200 pixels to start out with. Okay, as you can see, we get the full vertical alignment of our content here, separate from the image. So this is something that's a little weird about margins and floats, is that by floating an element, you take out the effect of the margin. So as you can see here, if we look at the margin, it continues past the floated element. So here's our 200 pixels. So if we wanted to get the exact measurement of the margin that we want, we would do a measurement of the image plus the space to the side that we might want. So this looks like it's about maybe 110 pixels. So if we adjusted our number down here to 110, we'd get something that looks a lot closer.